around the room for some things. Push that away, please. For math today, we're going to be talking about 3 new shapes, but they're not flat like circles and squares and triangles. Because, let me come over here and grab those shapes. When we talked about these shapes, do you remember these from my videos when we were virtual? Yeah. Okay. Can this circle roll? No. Watch. If I try to put this on the table, boys and girls at home, I don't know how you're going to see this. Let me turn it this way. If I put this on the table and I push it, watch. What happened? It just fell over because this circle is flat. This square is flat. This triangle is flat. I'm going to show you some shapes that are not flat. They're called 3D. Say 3D. 3D. Here's the first shape. You guys see this one all over the place. I have a bag of special shapes. You guys see this one all the time. Now this one is not flat. What do you think the name of this shape is? You see this all the time. What do you think the name of this shape is? Jordan, it looks like a triangle, but this is not a triangle. It looks like what, Caleb? Well, it doesn't look like the ice cream. It looks like the ice cream cone. This shape is called a cone. Say cone. Cone. Now, look it. It has a little flat circle base. Say base. Base. Look it. I can stand it right on its base. Say base. Base. And then the top has a point. Now watch. This can make sure my friends here can see. If I lay it on its side, watch what happens. And I push it a little bit. It rolls around the point. If I put it on its base, look at what happens. Does it roll? No, so I got to lay it on its side. Now, you guys said ice cream cone. I took this from our toys. Here's the ice cream cone. Where else do you see something that looks like a cone? That's the shape of a cone. Where else do you see something that looks like a cone? There's nothing here in the room. We have some things outside at the end of the day. Where do you see things that look like this shape? Raise your hand, sweetheart. Jordan. Oh, yeah. You guys see unicorn horns all the time that are the shape of a cone. Good job. What else is in the shape of a cone? What else is in the shape of a cone? So I would say the end of a pencil. If you cut the end of the pencil off, the part that you write with, that would be. How about this? Yeah. What does it? No, I'm not a unicorn. You wear these for a? Yeah, a party hat is the shape of a cone because the base goes on your head and then you have the string that goes under your chin. And outside we have those orange cones so that the cars know where to drive so that they don't hit the kids. 5K, say cone. I need somebody to go put this back with our toys. Kylan, come here, babe. You've been sitting really quietly and not blurting. Can you go put that back with our cones? Okay, I got another shape for you. This is not a circle because look it. This circle is flat. This is called a sphere. Say sphere. Now, sometimes kids call them spears. No, this is not something you use to kill somebody with. This is not a spear. This is a sphere. Say sphere. Sphere. Yeah, you have S sound and then F. Sphere. Say sphere. Sphere. Where do you see spheres? You can look in the room. You can think about what we play with. Where do you see spheres? Raise your hand. Where do we see spheres? Bridget. Mason, leave your pencil box. Wheels on a car could be spheres, but usually they're flat, so they're not completely a sphere. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't blurt. I know you guys are excited. This is fun. Where do you see spheres? Prince. Balls. Look down at your chair. Look down at your tables. Let me show you guys at home. On the bottom of all of your chairs are balls, tennis balls. Say, I see spheres. I see spheres. Where else do you see spheres? In our room. Raise your hand. I see some there on top of the cupboard up there. Raise your hand. What are those? Way, way up on top of my cupboards. Raise your hand. Ryan. What, honey? Do you know what those little colorful balls are called? Pom-poms. Yeah. When we do art projects with pom-poms, they're the shape of a sphere. Say sphere. Sphere. Say cone. Cone. All right, we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you one. You got to tell me the name. Make sure you're sitting in your chair. Okay, ready? This is a... This is a... Oh, good. I tried to trick you. This one is a... Sphere. Sphere. Good job. This one is a... This one is a... Oh, I switched them behind my back, but I couldn't trick you. This one is a... Good. This one is a... This one is a... Cone. I almost tricked you. This one is a... A sphere. All right. I'm going to put these right here. Don't roll away on me, sphere. You know the sphere rolls. The circle does not, but my sphere does because it's 3D. Okay, I have one more shape for you. This is called a cube. Say cube. This is how I help kids remember it. I say cute cube. Cute. Yeah, they both start with cute. Cute. Cube. Say cute cube. Now, I can roll this like when we roll something at math meeting, which you guys can tell me about. It can kind of roll, but if I put it down, no. If I put it down and I push it, it doesn't roll. So a cube does not roll. What do you know? That's the shape of a cube. Look around our room. Raise your hand. What do you know that's a cube? London. Okay, hold on, honey. Let me show the kids. Have a seat, Ryan. Let me show the kids at home. You got it, babe. You can put that away. Good job. What else do you see in our room that's the shape of a cube? It does look like a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, like one of those things where you have to match up all the colors. DeAndre and Ryan, I need you to have a seat. Look with your eyes. Yes, you found another one. Put that back, sweetheart. Look with your eyes. Where do you see something else that's the shape of a cube? Ice cubes. You got it. So we got blocks, ice cubes. No, honey, just leave it. Where do you see something else that's the shape of a cube? Rubik's Cube. Thanks, sweetheart. Think about what we use for math meeting. Kylan, what is that called? It is a cube, but we roll the dice. When you play games at home, the dice that you use are cubes. What else is a cube? Tamia. Yeah. Yeah, so if you have a box or a bucket that you keep things in that looks like a cube, that would be a cube. My loves, I want you to count how many faces. A cube has a face, not a face like you and me, but all of these flat sides are called faces. Say faces. Say faces. Okay. Yeah, say cute cube. Has faces. Count with me how many faces. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the bottom. 5, and one back here.
6.
Say 6 faces.
6 faces.
On a cube.
On a cube.
All right. Hey, any kind of box that you have at home is a cube. All right, say cube.
Cube.
Say cone.
Cone.
And say sphere.
Sphere.
All right, we're going to play a game. I'm going to put them behind my back. Actually, no, I'm not. I can't hold all these. Tomorrow for math meeting. Not tomorrow. We won't be here. It's Saturday. What I do now is I put these in the mystery bag. And I have you reach in and I tell you what to pull out. I say, I need you to pull out the sphere. So you have to reach in. And the sphere is the one that looks like the ball. So you got to reach in without looking and go, oh, found it. No, I did not look. I might say pull out the cube. Look, I'm not looking. So you got to know the cube is the one that looks like the box. You, Tamia, way to go, babe. You were really listening. Oh, here it is. I might tell you to reach in and pull out the cone. So if you're not, you can't look. You got to know what it feels like. Oh, it has the circle base and it's pointy. So tomorrow I'm going to ask you guys, I'm going to walk around and all the shapes will be in here and you're going to have to pull out the cube. You're going to have to pull out the sphere or you're going to have to pull out the cone. If that sounds fun to you, say, uh-huh. All right, I'm going to go put these things back over here. What I would like is for you to park your pencils on top of your pencil boxes, please. That's not going to stay. There we go. All right. I am going to pass out your papers. If you were at home, Karina and Mitchell, you can take out 112A. We're going to do this. All right. Nazir, here you go, my sweet. 112. Math lesson 112. Jair. Here you go, dear. Thank you. Mason, DeAndre, Prince, Jordan, good girl. And Tamia. Not right now, sweetie. You can take them home and have them. All right. I hope you guys see those shapes on your paper that we just talked about. All right, yesterday we wrote the number 100. So today we're going to write the number 101. You got it, Ryan. How do I write 101? Think. If you don't know, look at our numbers on the wall. How do we write 101? Jaden. A 1, yep. Hold on, everybody write a 1. What would go next? Jaden, what would go next? Not another 1. Because then we'd be writing a teen number. A what? A 0. Good job, honey. 101. What goes last, Jaden? A 1. Good job, sweetheart. Then it says, circle the digit that tells the number of hundreds. Look here at the top. Which number's in the hundreds place? Follow along. Which number's in the hundreds? Chelsea. This first one. This top word says hundreds. Good girl. Circle that 1, 5K. Good job, Chelsea. How many tally marks are we making today? Kylan, how many tally marks? Not 22, 20. Today is the 21st, so we're going to make 21 tally marks. Take your pencil, say, I'm ready, Mrs. Barch. Awesome, 21 tally marks. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up 15. Good job. 16, 17, 18, 19, tally up 20, 21. Stop. You should have 4 full 5s and then 1 extra. I ran out of room, so I went out over here. Keep going. That's okay. 4 full 5s and 1 extra. All right. I need you to tell me, listen carefully, if this story is some more, or some went away. It says Evie read 21 pages in her book on Monday. Whoa, she read a lot of pages. On Tuesday, she read 10 more. Is that a some more, or some went away? She read 21 pages on Monday. On Tuesday, she read 10 more. What kind of story is that, Ryan? She read more, so it's some more. Circle some more. You got it, buddy. Prince, thanks for the thumbs up, honey. You do such a nice job following along, babe. Thanks, Kylan. It says we need to write our number sentence. Look back in the story. How many pages did she read on Monday? 21. So we need to write 21 first. What sign do I need? Raise your hand. What sign do I need? A what? Not a cent sign. What sign do I need? She read more pages. I need a? What sign means we got more? Plus. Yep. Good girl, Zaya. Plus. How many more did she read on Tuesday, Bridget? How am I going to figure this out? 21 plus 10. Kylan, honey, push that away, babe. How am I going to figure that out? Look at where I'm pointing. How am I going to figure that out? 21 plus 10. We didn't draw a picture. So how am I going to figure that out? Prince. What, honey? I could count. I could start. What else could I do? We will do that in just a second. Yep. What else could I do? Yep. I could hop on here, count 10 more. Okay. Count with me. I'll start at 21. How many am I hopping? 10. All right. Count with me. Ready? Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. She read 31 pages. Hey, 5K. If I start at 21 and I get 10 more, I just move my finger down to 31. You got it. My love's right. 31. My sweets, how many pages did she read altogether? 31. All right. I need you to take out these 2 colors. Don't tell your friends. I need you to take out the color of the sky and the color of love. Go. Take out the color of the sky and the color of love. Color of the sky. The color of love. Take out those two colors. You got it. Color of the sky. Color of love. The sky is what color? Blue. You should take out your blue. The color of love is red. You got it. Honey, look in your mailbox. It might have fallen out of your pencil box in your mailbox. No, not yellow. Blue and red. My sweets. It says to color the cone blue. Which one of these shapes in the box is the cone? Raise your hand. Which one's the cone? Jordan, which one's the cone? Oh, good girl saying the third one. First, second, third. You're going to color the cone blue. Jordan. Looks like the ice cream cone. You see that circle base on the bottom. Then it says to color the sphere red. Which one's the sphere? Which one's the sphere? That one's fine. Color the sphere red. Mason, which one's the sphere? I can't hear you, babe. The second ball is the sphere. My sweets, I want you to make a trade. You're going to put your blue and your red back and take out your brown. Put your blue and your red back. Take out your brown. Before you use your brown, you're going to use your pencil. So just park your brown. I'm going to fold this up so you guys can see. All right, what do these little circles up here look like? Let me scooch this down so you guys can see at home. What do these little circles look like? You go to the store, you buy them, you have them as a treat. Sometimes they have frosting on them. Sometimes they have sugar on them. These are donuts. Say, ooh, donuts. It says we need to circle a dozen. How many are in a dozen? If you don't know, look at my egg carton. How many are in a dozen? Tamia? 12. My loves, what we're going to do is we're going to count by twos. So I want you to have your pencil in your hand. And your other hand, you're going to use your two fingers. We're going to count by twos. Like this. We're going to do top and bottom. We need to find 12. Ready? Set. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, none of you guys didn't do it with me. Look, you guys got to have your fingers side to side. Hold on, let's do it again. Do it with me. We're touching like this before we circle them, because doing the top and going down here is going to be tricky. Let's just do it like this. Count by twos with me. Ready? Set. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't move your fingers. What you need to do is take your pencil and right behind your fingers, you need to circle those 12 that you just touched. These 4 at the back, you need to leave those out of your circle. 4 out here, out of the circle, because we counted those 12 by twos. Thanks for the thumbs up, Chelsea. Now, I like donuts with chocolate frosting. Mr. Barch does not. Mr. Porter does. So when you go to the store, you wouldn't buy all the donuts with chocolate frosting, would you? No, because some people might not like them. So it says color a half dozen brown to show that they are chocolate. So how many are we going to color? How many is a half dozen? If you don't know, look at my egg cartons. How many are a half dozen? Prince. 6. My loves, take your brown. If you color all of these donuts that you circled, you will have it wrong. You are only coloring 6. Only color 6 of those donuts that you circled. Go. Only 6. Chelsea, good listening. Good job, babe. Only color 6. Good, Mason. Good, Ryan. Honey, you're doing a great job. Good job. Mason, if you want to put 2 more tissues in your pocket, you can, sweetie. All right, I love seeing the thumbs up when you guys are done. My sweets, you don't need your brown anymore. You can put your brown away. All you need is your pencil. Ryan, you're doing great. Mr. Porter Rita, good listening. All right, my loves, it says we need to look at the calendar. Mitchell and Karina, I'm not going to keep turning the computer for you to see because that's going to be really tricky for you. I don't know if you guys will be able to, no, you won't be able to see from this far because it'll cut in and out if I move the computer too much. So you're just going to have to listen, my loves, okay? It says look at our calendar. It says what was the date of the first Tuesday of this month? So look over here. We need to find Tuesday. Say the days of the week with me. Ready? Set, go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, okay, we found Tuesday. Now, what's the first date? 4th, May 4th. So we need to write May 4th. How do I write May? I need somebody to spell May for me. Kylan, spell May. All right, everybody writes an M. What goes next, Kylan? A. Y. Jair, what number did we say? May 4th. Then we need to write a 4. The date was May 4th. We're not going to write the year. You all know that it's 2021. Then it says, what was yesterday's date? Okay, so let's look back over here. This is today. So what was yesterday? Raise your hand. What number was yesterday? The 20th. If today is 21, before 21 comes 20. So we need to write May 20th. Good job. How do I write May? Chelsea, spell May. All right. M. A. Yep. Y. Good job, Chelsea. And Jaden, what number did you say, sweetie? Yesterday was the 20th. If today's the 21st, yesterday was May 20th. We're not going to write the year because you all know. Now, I'm going to grab this so the kids at home can see this. All right. I want the kids at home to be able to do this with us. It says, let me scooch you back a little bit. What day of the week will it be tomorrow? Today is what day did we say this morning?
21.
No, what day of the week? It's not Tuesday today. It's not Wednesday. It's what, honey? So if today's Friday, what day will it be tomorrow? What comes after Friday? After Friday, Jordan, comes Saturday. We're going to write Saturday right underneath where you wrote May 20th. We're going to write Saturday. What letter do you see first in Saturday? Prince. S, right? Uppercase S. It's the name of the day of the week. What letter goes next? A, Ryan. Good job. What letter goes next? Good, Chelsea. T. What two letters say Look, what two letters say Jaden. What, honey? No, not A-R. What letter is that? U-R. Everybody needs to write U-R. Sometimes it's E-R says like December. This time U-R says And how do I spell day? You guys see that at the end of every day of the week. Saturday. How do I spell day? Chelsea. D. You got it. D-A-Y. Say, good job, Chelsea. She did great. All right, I'm going to go take this back over here. Oh, yay. I see some alligator fun at the bottom. We haven't done that in a while. All right. Let me scooch you up. 59 plus 10. How do I find the answer for 59 plus 10? 59 plus 10. What should I do? Raise your hand. What do I do? 59. Jordan? 59 goes down to 69. All right, you need to write 6 and a 9. Makes 69. 59 goes down to 69. Good girl. How about 74? 74. I would move my finger down to 74, Jair. 84. You got it. And 8 and a 4 makes 84. And last one up here, 16. If I move my finger down from 16, Jaden, I'm at 26. Good job, babe. A 2 and a 6 makes 26. Awesome. I'm going to scoot you guys back. Say alligator time. All right, 12 and 2. Which number is my alligator going to want to eat? Chelsea. It's bigger. So I need to start over here by the 12, go back to the 2, back to the 12. Are you done? You may go. Say 12 is greater than 2. 12 is greater than 2. That just means 12 is bigger. All right, 24 and 25. Ooh. What am I going to write for 24 and 25? Who's my alligator going to want to eat? 25. They're right next to each other. Look, 24 and 25 are right here, but to me, you are right. 25 is bigger. So I'm going to start by 25. I'm going to go back to 24, back to 25. Say 24 is less than 25. 24 is less than 25. It's smaller, yep. Last one, 9 and 9. What do I need, Ryan? Why do I need an equals? They're both the same. You got it. Well, my loves, we're supposed to go outside and play at 1. Look at the clock. Is it 1 o'clock yet? Not even close. It still is in 12 o'clock, so you guys are doing great. My sweets. Some of them need to do that. if you are all done, Mr. Porter needs some of you to finish your math facts quick. So if you did not finish your math facts, please look. Before we go out, you have a few minutes to finish. So if you did not finish, Prince, Jordan, Karina, and Mitchell, thanks for joining, my loves. Have a great weekend. Enjoy this weather. Get outside and play. We will see you on Tuesday, Monday for packet pickup, okay? Bye, my sweets. All right. Stop.